4K 60 FPS UHD video. Xiaomi 13 on my left hand side versus the Samsung S23 Ultra. Okay, observe here the sky with the sun piercing. Also a very good chance for us guys to observe what happens with lens flare whatsoever. And now back to the not so sunny part. Okay, this is going to be the camera comparison between the Xiaomi 13 and the Samsung S23 Ultra, and I'm going to put a lot of emphasis on the video as those both phones are doing really a great job. Now we need to check what is going to be better, S23 Ultra or Xiaomi 13. Front camera as well, guys. Okay. Now I am going to do a slow run to see how the stabilization is going to work on both phones. I did the same using the S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra, and it was really obvious the twice wider IOS from the S23 Ultra is doing wonders. Okay, one more run here with both phones in my hand, and now I'm going to enter my test park. 4K 60 FPS video. Left hand side is the Xiaomi 13. Right hand side, guys, is the S23 Ultra. Yeah, now guys, let's test the front camera. What a pity the Xiaomi 13 only does Full HD and only 30 FPS. Yeah, not only this, but viewfinder information, oh, not good. I barely see the sky behind my back. Okay, this is a very backlit scenario, but the S23 Ultra HDR is still able to somehow process the information. See here guys, on the Xiaomi 13 the sky absolutely washed out, everything super overexposed. Yeah, and again we have this limitation on the resolution and also on the frame rate. So let me do a slow run. And guys, now let me just go into a darker area, see what's gonna happen, guys. Jesus, the S23 Ultra is doing a better job only from what I see on the viewfinder. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And now let's move on with the ultra-wide testing. Now another limitation, guys, it's UHD, it's both ultra-wide, but the Xiaomi 13 can only do 30 FPS. It's not a problem for me, honestly. It may be a problem for you if you want to get that smooth 60 FPS from all the lenses, but then S23 Ultra is not perfect also because I'm not able to switch the cameras while shooting. So right now, guys, what you observe on the screen is ultra-wide on the Xiaomi 13 running 30 FPS, 4K and ultra-wide 60 FPS on the S23 Ultra. Now let me just do a slow pan and let me know which video is better. And now let me just do also a slow run towards this little boy here. Okay, and now let's continue the testing. Now shooting a zoom video 3.2x on the Xiaomi 13, which is supposed to be optical, and also 3x optical on the S23 Ultra. Some very nice wind to get those flags moving. And guys, let me just also do a slow run towards this place to try to test the stabilization. Okay, and I'm gonna do also a slow pan so that you're able to compare the video quality. And let me know what you think down below in the comments. So more blue and green to get this HDR flying. Alright. Where do we have more detail? Where do we have less noise? Where do we have better sharpness? Okay. Yep. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Pause the video, guys, and let me know what you think. And with that said, guys, I think I will conclude the video testing. I really hope that you have enjoyed videos like this, guys. This will give you a rather good, realistic perspective on how the S23 Ultra matches against the Xiaomi 13, okay? So the Xiaomi 13 is not really like the best Xiaomi phone. We have the 13 Pro, but it is a very nice little shooter, guys. Yeah, probably one of the best sized Android phones. So it has really some serious power, and it is a serious competition to the S23, right? Also more battery. So this is really what you can expect if you buy this device, and I hope, yeah, that this video was good for you. Thanks for watching. VST over, and bye.